What's up, Anya Army? Welcome back to home base. I'm your girl, Anya Havita. I'm so happy you're here today. We got this bomb ass DIY that we're doing today. This cute ass acrylic Louis Vuitton inspired bag. I did this, full disclosure, I did this with a Cricut. My bonus mom, who I'm literally just calling a bonus mom for clarification, I don't ever call her my bonus mom, but my bonus mom got me a Cricut Joy. Best gift ever. It is literally the gift that keeps on giving. If you're on the fence about getting one, get one. This is not sponsored, but Cricut, if you want to sponsor your girl, come on and slide into the DMs. The answer is yes. Period. Before we get into this DIY, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will meet you down in the comments to discuss. And don't worry, everything that I use will be also linked down in the comments so that you can get it yourself. For this project, you are going to need the Cricut Joy machine, or just any kind of Cricut machine actually. The Cricut accessories, I'm missing a few, but these will do. Some premium permanent vinyl. I got 2 rolls. I did use both. Get 2, you'll need to, honey. An acrylic see-through purse. I got the boxy kind as opposed to the round kind, but I'm honestly going to go back and get that one too. All of these items will be linked down below in the description as well as the comments so that you can get them for yourself. I picked up an LV print off Google that I really liked. I'm going into my Cricut app. I'm going to hit the new project button, upload from my camera roll the print that I just got from Google. I'm going to remove this tan background here. You just hold and press and it'll remove it. This is a preview of how it's going to cut. I need to remove the background here. And you see then how it goes away. That black background goes away and boom. Now here I'm going to smooth out those rough edges. Literally just click the smooth button and there you go. Ooh, so tired. I did this literally at like midnight. Going in with the scissors, I am going to cut out some vinyl that is the size of my Cricut mat. I don't show it here, but on the back of the vinyl there are 1/2-inch squares. This is a project that requires a lot of repetition, so flipping it over and just getting a base number of squares that you cut each time, I ended up doing 10 by 10, is really easy and makes things go really quick and makes things a lot more uniform in the end. So here I'm just going to print it out, well, cut it out. Go ahead and connect to your machine. Select your materials. I am using permanent vinyl. And then it'll print. Another tip is when it's time to peel this back, go ahead and cut the corner off at an angle. It makes it really easy to get in there, separate the layers, and just peel it back. You want to go slow. It looks like I'm going fast now, but it's just because it's sped up. You want to take it nice and slow. Another helpful trick that I found is to fold the paper back where you're going to, above the character that you're going to pull off. It helps so freaking much. So when I place it, I'm gonna be honest, I could have, you know, measured it out and made it freaking perfect, but I was like, you know, it's just really not that deep. It's, you know, DIYs, I think DIYs should be easy, fun, and most importantly, quick. I don't want to spend 30 hours doing something, okay? I would just buy it by that point. So my DIYs are always easy, always fast, always something that you can throw together in a day if need be. And yeah, and I live by that, period. You're always going to put in the dot in. Try to be as precise as possible. Obviously, you are a human being, not a machine. So if it comes out a little bit wonky, that's okay. By the time you cover all 4 sides, the eye will not be able to see any imperfections. It kind of camouflages itself. You'll see exactly what I mean as the video goes on. Now we are going to cut the edge off of this little decal here because we are going to take it and snuggle it right in the little corner pocket here. It's not a corner, it's just a pocket. But to kind of give the illusion of the pattern continuing, I'm gonna tuck it right in there, get it as close and as tucked in as you can, and boom. It is just the extra razzle dazzle that is really needed to take it to that next level, to give it that real realism. Doing the same thing now with the LV piece, cutting the edge off, and it's gonna get tucked right in there so that it looks like the pattern is continuing, almost like the acrylic is fabric itself. Another helpful tip that I learned is to leave the dots that go in between the characters on the paper, and at the end either fold or cut next to them. Place it right next to the edge where you're going to place it, put it down, and just kind of scoot it off the middle there. And here is the end result. This is a fire. First, I'm so proud of this. Let me know in the comments down below if you love it, if you hate it, if you're gonna recreate it yourself. I'll see you next time.